So today I want to show you how to crochet a cute little bandana for your pet. You can use it for dogs or cats or whatever you like. You can do it in any size. We work from the inside and then work our way out, and then you just stop when you reach the size. So let's begin. First, a little about the materials. For the yarn, I have used 100% cotton yarn in a size fine weight 2. You can of course use any colors you like. I just chose these ones. Then I've used a 3mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and some scissors. We begin with the middle part and we start with a slip knot. So make a slip knot, and then we chain 6. So yarn over, pull through 6 times in total. Then we will work a double crochet in the very first chain we did. So this chain all the way over here, we will work a double crochet into this one. So 1 double crochet in the very first chain, and then another double crochet into the same chain. So yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then another double crochet into the same chain. So 3 double crochet in the same chain. And then it looks like this. Then we will chain 2. And then we will work another 3 double crochet into the same chain. So this is the center of the bandana, and we will work another 3 double crochet in the same center, just to work all the way around it. And then the final one in this cluster. Yeah. And then to finish it up, we will work another chain, just 1 chain more, and then another double crochet to finish it up. And that is the first round. So in the same chain again, you will work 1 final double crochet. But you will pull through, and then just before you pull through the very last time, we will now actually change the color of the yarn. So we cut this one, we won't be needing that anymore. And then we grab the next color, which will be the yellow one for me. And then we will make the final pull through with this new color. That's it. And then we will continue with row 2. So we start with a chain 5. So we chain 5 with this next color. And then we turn, and then we work row 2. And we start working bigger and bigger. We will expand this more and more. So we will do the same thing again and again. We will always find this first gap, and then we work 3 double crochet into this gap. So just insert the hook directly into this big gap, and then work 3 double crochet into the gap. And we will do the same thing again and again. So always start with 3 double crochet into the first gap. And then when you move on from this first gap, you chain 1, and then you go to the next gap. So all the gaps on the sides, you will always just work 1 chain and then move on to the next gap. Then we move on to the corner. That's the corner, that's the pointy one. We will start with 3 double crochet up here. And the corner will always be worked the same way. We will start with 3 double crochet into the corner. And then we will do 2 chains. And then another 3 double crochet in the same corner space. So each time you make it up to the corner, you will work 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and then another 3 double crochet into the same corner space. And that is the same for each time you make it up to the corner. And that's it. So now we want to move on from the corner, and we will always work one chain between the spaces that isn't the corner. So now we will work bigger and bigger, and we will always just work one chain between the clusters on the sides. So now we move on from here to here, and we will just chain one, and then we work 3 double crochet into this space right here. And when we make it all the way to the bottom of this, we will always finish the same way. We will chain one and work one final double crochet into the same space. So each time we end a row, we will work one chain and then one final double crochet. Just before we pull through the very last double crochet, we will now change the color. And that is the same for each round or row. So we pull through with this new color and chain 5. So we will be repeating the row before, this yellow row. We will just be repeating this. The number of clusters here will just add with 1 for each row. So now we will chain 5, then we turn, and then we will work 3 double crochet in this first space. We will always work 3 double crochet into the first space. And then to move on, we will chain 1 and then work 3 double crochet. Then chain 1 and then move on to the corner. And the corner will always be the same thing. We will work 3 double crochet, then chain 2 and then another 3 double crochet, then chain 1 in between here and chain 1 in between here. And then we finish the row with chain 1 and then 1 double crochet in the final space. And then we change the color again. So we will just be repeating this again and again, then change to the green color and then the yellow color, and keep expanding until it fits the size of your pet. When you think the size is fitting for your pet, then you will just stop and then we will work on the straps. I will just chain until I think it is long enough to reach around my dog's neck. So just continue like this until you think it's long enough. And then work a row, return, so skip your first 2 chains and work a double crochet into the next. And then work 1 double crochet in each chain all the way across. And then repeat this on the other side as well. Work a string of chains as long as this one, and then work double crochet all the way back. And when you finish your double crochet all the way into the main piece, you take this and lead over to it and then sew it with your tapestry needle like so. And then you will weave in this end on the back side. And that's it. Then we cut the yarn and we have this cute little bandana for our pet. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.